Hi, I'm Laura, Omniyogagirl. So, following on from my last tutorial, I thought I'd show you how to get into a variation of Super Soldier Pose, which is a half lotus variation. So, obviously, it's a lot in common with the earlier tutorial I put up, but just some key differences, and I thought showing you might help. So, get into your half lotus Super Soldier. Again, you want to start from standing and you want to start off with one leg in half lotus. So I'm taking my left leg into half lotus and then I'm going to fold forward. So once you're here, keep that right leg bent. And this is where it's a little bit tricky. If you want to try and hook your right arm under. Again, take the hand to the outside of the foot, reach out with the left hand and fold down. So straighten the right leg and then you can add in a bind. Taking the right hand up to your left foot. Again, fold forward even more if you can. Turn, open to the side, let the neck relax. And coming back up, in a very similar way you do Super Soldier, bend the right leg, bring the hands down, come back up to standing. And then release your half lotus leg. So that's a Super Soldier Pose variation, half lotus. It's kind of a fun one to play with. So let me know if you give it a try. Thank you very much, and don't forget to click subscribe.